Hello YouTube. Well, this is Afina again with another update. As you can see here, today I just got my Eccotemp portable tankless water heater in today, and this is another adventure of trying to get everything I need before I move off grid. So I'm gonna open it up so I can see what it looks like. And I'm in the middle of packing, so I had to bring this into my disastrous bedroom. As I'm going through things, I got too many boxes in the living room. Okay, let's see here. And I'm recording on my phone, so please excuse me. This is a one-handed thing. Okay, let's see. And it's cold, it's raining. Felt sorry for the poor mailman who had to actually get out of his truck in the torrential downpour. But as they say, he will be alright. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the directions on how to set this here up. We have our manual, the use and care, and I have no idea what this is. What is this? Okay. This here is read for first before installing use. Okay, we'll read that later. And now we have the controller, which I am going to assume okay, how about I'm not going to assume, because every time I assume, I always assume incorrectly. But this looks like it goes to the gas portion and then hook up to the tank itself. Then we have the flex rod for the shower head that hooks up to the tank. And let's see here. Okay, you don't want to break it. Oh Lord, this is what happens when you only have one hand. Okay, bear with me. Okay, well, that just came off. Hope I didn't break it. Okay, what we have are some more pieces, and I think I just dropped a piece in the garbage can. Oh, how lovely. Seriously? Yeah, I did. I dropped a piece in the garbage can. Okay, so we have these here fittings. And here's another one. I believe they connect to a water hose. And we have some brass fittings here, along with parts to install it, I guess, into a wall if you wanted to. And then here is some waterline tape. And because the way that they had this here packed up, this here is the top that goes onto the unit. Oh, okay. One momento. Okay. I'm going to turn it upside down right quick. Okay. It is battery operated. So I have to have 2 D-size batteries, which I believe go right in here. And yes. Okay, why can't I open it? Okay, let's see here. Let's switch hands. And of course, I can't seem to open it. Not with one hand anyway. We have the water inlet valve, and then the outlet valve, and then this is where I would hook up that propane portion. And then all I would need is the propane itself. Now, okay, so essentially this here sits up, well, it holds up against the wall. You would attach it there, and since it is portable, it has a handy dandy handle so that you can carry it around. It's really not that heavy, which is nice. Okay, we have the gas nozzle for minimum and max, and the amount of water. How much water you want to use, or how hot you want it, that sort of thing. So that's about it. I will let you know how it works once I get out to my property. And as always, please have a blessed day.